Unlocking the power of avocado. Health benefits you need to know. Avocados are more than just a trendy toast topping. They are a powerhouse of nutrients that can significantly enhance your health. Here are some compelling reasons to include avocados in your daily diet. 1. Rich in nutrients. Avocados are packed with essential vitamins and minerals, including vitamin K, vitamin E, vitamin C, B vitamins, and potassium. They provide a broad spectrum of nutrients that are vital for overall health. 2. Heart health. Avocados are high in monounsaturated fats, particularly oleic acid, which is beneficial for heart health. These healthy fats can help reduce bad cholesterol levels, LDL, and increase good cholesterol levels, HDL, lowering the risk of heart disease. 3. Eye health. The fruit contains lutein and zeaxanthin, two antioxidants that are crucial for eye health. These compounds help protect the eyes from harmful blue light and reduce the risk of macular degeneration and cataracts. Number 4. Weight management. Despite being high in calories, avocados can aid in weight management. The healthy fats and fiber in avocados promote satiety, helping you feel full longer and reducing the overall intake of calories. 5. Digestive health. The fiber content in avocados supports a healthy digestive system. It aids in preventing constipation and maintaining a healthy gut microbiome, which is essential for overall well-being. 6. Bone health. Avocados contain vitamin K, which is vital for bone health. Vitamin K plays a role in calcium absorption and bone mineralization, helping to maintain strong and healthy bones. 7. Anti-inflammatory properties. The combination of healthy fats, antioxidants, and phytochemicals in avocados helps reduce inflammation in the body. This can be beneficial for those with inflammatory conditions like arthritis. 8. Skin and hair care. Avocados are rich in antioxidants and healthy fats that nourish the skin and hair. They help maintain a youthful complexion, reduce the appearance of wrinkles, and promote shiny, healthy hair. 9. Blood sugar regulation. The healthy fats and fiber in avocados can help stabilize blood sugar levels, making them a good choice for people with diabetes or those looking to prevent blood sugar spikes. 10. Nutrient absorption. Avocados can enhance the absorption of fat-soluble vitamins A, D, E, and K from other foods. Adding avocado to salads or meals can help ensure you get the maximum nutritional benefit from your diet. Incorporating avocados into your diet is a delicious way to boost your health. Enjoy them in salads, smoothies, on toast, or simply on their own for a nutrient-packed treat that supports your overall well-being.